All right, so I've got this image here and I want to get rid of the background and only have this circular squirrel image and move that to a different image. So if I were just to click on this and drag it to this new image, and then I'd hit Control T to shrink it down, you see I've got the image, but I've got this background too. So I want to get rid of that background real quick and easy. How I would do that: come back over here, and I'm going to come up here to the Quick Selection tool, right click, find Quick Selection tool, and then I'll just left click and drag around the perimeter. Alright, once that's done, come up to Layer, Layer Mask, Hide Selection. Now at that point I can drag this to that image, Control T, and there's no more background. So if I wanted to save that, I would come up to File, Save a Copy, then I would click on whatever type I wanted. So I could do JPEG or PNG, name it, and pick where I want to save it.